Toyota Sequoia new generation, stylish design and hybrid system. Toyota Motor on January 25 has presented a new, third generation of full-size frame SUV Sequoia with factory index XK80. The previous generation has been on the assembly line for almost 15 years, since 2007. As before, the Sequoia is based on the current version of the Toyota Tundra. Now it is a third-generation pickup with a frame platform with welded box section longitudinal members stamped from high-strength steel. The chassis is called Toyota F1, and its modification is also used on the off-road Land Cruiser 300. That is, the Tundra and TLC 300 have a lot in common, but not identical. Up to the middle roof pillar, the Sequoia body is also unified with the Tundra. The same doors, front fenders, hood and headlights are used. But the SUV has its own bumper design and grille with a large hexagonal pattern and chrome trim. The rear body pillars are angled forward, which creates a dynamic silhouette. The engine was also taken from Toyota Tundra, but only in one variant, as I-Force hybrid system, where a 3.5-liter petrol twin-turbo V6 is assisted by an electric motor. The cumulative capacity of the installation -443 horse-forces, and torque -790 New Mexico. Transmission is a 10-speed automatic, and the drive is rear or all-wheel drive. Purely gasoline-powered version is available only in a pickup truck. Maximum towed trailer weight increased by 22% compared to its predecessor, up to 4,082 kilograms. This allows hitching a trailer with a housing unit or a platform with a powerboat to the vehicle. As for the load directly in the trunk, there is a rear air suspension load leveling rear height control air suspension to level the body. The basic package already includes a 14-inch touchscreen media system, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel and electric folding seats of the third row. In total, there are 5 configurations: SR5, Limited, Platinum, TRD Pro and Capstone. For SR5 and Limited, you can order TRD Off-Road Package, which includes Bilstein shock absorbers and springs tuned for off-road. The TRD Pro version with flux suspension is adapted more for asphalt. As an option, there is a JBL audio system with 14 speakers, panoramic sunroof, projection display and wireless charging for smartphones. SUV will be produced at Toyota Motor Manufacturing Plant in Texas. The target market for the model is the same as before, the US and Canada. Sequoia will reach US dealers in the summer of 2022. The prices haven't been announced yet. If you liked it, please like it. Watch my other videos, and if you like it, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything interesting.